Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will see how to sketch panton chain with the help of surfacing tool. Here we will use multiple types of surfacing tool and create a simple chair in Solidworks. I hope you like it. So let's see how to use this surfacing command and make a chair. For creating the panton tool we will use here maximum surfacing tools. So let's start. Front plane, select front plane. We want to create a one plane. This is our right plane, sorry. Choose here right plane and create one plane. So go to feature, reference geometry, choose here plane and create one plane just 150 millimeter. Okay, now this is the our plane. Now select this plane, select here sketch. Now start center line, draw a vertical and horizontal center line. You can hide this plane better. Now select here spline, or better let's define it. 570 millimeter by 333 millimeter. Okay, now choose spline and start from this point. Create one point here, one point here, and one point here. Exit. Now we need to adjust these points. Okay, take it down. Okay, now let's define these points. Select this arrow and this point, define angle 120 millimeter. Select this length 425 millimeter. That's it. Now select the second point and distance 362.5 millimeter. Now select vertical distance 303.5 millimeter. Okay, now select this length 450 millimeter. Now let's define this length 331.5. The same horizontal distance 129 millimeter. Select this arrow and keep the length 330 millimeter. We need a small. Now select angle 76 degree and select again arrow and keep the length 393 millimeter. And here also the same, select this arrow, again choose. Okay, unchecked again. Oh sorry, we already defined this, so we need to define the angle. Select this. Okay, 55 millimeter. The same here, this one, and select this arrow 65 millimeter. Okay, now see our geometry is fully defined. Okay, you can note down the each and every dimension from here. Now simply exit. Select front plane, sketch, normal. Now it's time to create one geometry here. Select line. Center line. Start from origin point up to this point. Exit. Select here line and continue up this point. Exit. Let's choose it. Keep the length 280 millimeter. It's time to define a line. Make it the same length, 570 millimeter. Choose spline. Connect this point to this point. Exit. Select this arrow vertical. Here also select horizontal. Now define. $600, 340 millimeter. Okay. This is the our geometry. Now exit. Now here we define two sketches, right plane, one in plane and one in front plane. Now we want to merge this result. So just go to feature. Select here project curve. Select first sketch, second sketch. You can see the preview, sketch on sketches. See? Okay. Now this is our one side curve we created. Now here let's start the one more geometry. So choose right plane, sketch. Okay. You can hide this geometry. So it helps us to create geometry. Center line. Vertical up to origin point. Vertical line, make sure 570 millimeter, and this one no need anything. We last time we created 3, that's okay. Now choose spline and start from here. Second point, third point, fifth point, sixth point, and seventh point at the end. Exit. This will be adjusted according to requirement. Now let's define the dimensions. Choose here dimension. I think something else choose. $34 millimeter. And this distance, let's say 237 millimeter, 368 millimeter. And this one 271.3 millimeter, and this one 82 millimeter. Okay, now let's define vertical. This distance we will make it around 14 point 14.800 114.5. This one 248 millimeter. Let's say this one 283.7 millimeter, and the last one 275 millimeter. Okay, now change this. Smart dimension. Three 115 millimeter the length, and let's choose the angle 65 degree. Here also make the angle 50 degree. Keep the length 380 millimeter. Okay, select angle 60 degree, 135 millimeter. Keep the length. Same here, this point, select this arrow, angle 30 degree, length 550 millimeter. Select this one 140 millimeter. Okay, now select the arrow, and we need to create one relation. It should be vertical actually. Here choose vertical. Now it is in vertical position. Now let's select this arrow 330 millimeter, and it's time to define angle 4 degree. Now the geometry is fully defined. This is our geometry. You can carefully note down these dimensions. I hope you did all the dimensions very carefully. This is the okay. Now simply exit. Now here show. We want to show it here, this one, show. Okay, now choose, we want to create one more geometry in top plane. Select here top plane, sketch, take the position, we want this position. Okay, this 2 point we want to connect it, so choose here spline and connect these 2 points. Exit. Select this arrow, select the arrow, make vertical, and here also select this arrow and make relation horizontal. Choose dimension, select this box hexagon and make the length 600 millimeter, and the same here, this one we will keep 340 millimeter. Okay, so now this is the one pass our created exit. Now select isometric view. Now we want to connect these 2 points, so choose here 3D sketch spline. Select this point to this point, exit. Now we need to define some path so that it help us to create a geometry. Better to create like a curve. Okay, this is quite better. It's up to you, whatever size you like, you can do it here. Okay, we will not do more and more, otherwise it will take time. Now exit. Now it's time to create some loop. Surface, select here lofted surface, clear this. In profile we will select 2 geometry. One, this curve 1 we created with projection, this see here curve 1, and second this geometry, see it took the shape. Now end condition, no need to define any condition. Go to guided curve, select this curve we created in top plane and this 3D, see select here. Okay, now a one shape of chair is created. I'll define some material like blue or okay. Now see, now here we want to create side rest arm or side boundary, so again we need to make 2 geometry and make it projection curve. So let's choose it, front plane sketch. Okay, draw a center line. (165 millimeter). Choose here line, draw one line, then choose the spline and connect these 2 points. Exit. (128 millimeter). (280 millimeter). Okay, now select this vertical and this arrow horizontal. 600 millimeter, 340 millimeter. Okay. Now this is our one geometry on front plane. So simply exit. Now we need to create one more geometry. So choose right plane, sketch. Now here we want to create but hide this geometry. Okay. In curve 1 we created one geometry. Okay, so this one is visible. We need this help. Center line, exit, choose here spline, start from here, then up to here, then up to here. Better connect with center line. It should be horizontal and 15 millimeter only. Now we will start from bottom point. 303 millimeter. Angle set 60 millimeter and choose the length 200 millimeter. Okay, now do one thing, select this previous curve point and this curve point, make in vertical in one line and define it the length 65 millimeter. That's it. Now again choose this curve. Now select this arrow and make angle 60 millimeter, length 500. Okay, now this arrow 121.5 millimeter, keep the vertical length 307.65 millimeter. Select arrow and this side and make angle 55 millimeter, 55 degree angle, and choose one arrow 485 millimeter. Okay, now select this arrow with this line, exit, select this line and this arrow and define the angle 65 degree. Again arrow, $485 millimeter. Okay, so our geometry is fully defined. I hope you note down all the dimensions very carefully. So simply exit from the sketch, select here project curve, sketch 1 selected and select this sketch. Now here you can see the preview, one project curve projection, you can see it here. Okay, now see you saw the second projection. Now here just show the first, select right plane, sketch. Okay, now we want to connect this one, choose line and connect these 2 points, exit. Now exit. Now it's time to create one spline, one plane. Now here what we will do, just hide this all geometries, hide this curve, hide this inside geometry. Okay, now let's try to create another loop. Choose here surface, lofted surface, select this edge. We don't want to select, do one thing, just check it, hide. Okay, this curve one must be hide, then choose lofted, select this edge, this one corner edge we selected, then select this created curve, and here in path we will select this path. Now merge content tangent faces, select OK. Now see, that's it, our second curve is created. Now both the curves are different, so let's make it, combine it. So choose here knit surface, first this one and second this one. Here select merge entities. Okay. Now choose fillet, keep variable fillet, select this edge 25 millimeter and bottom 5 millimeter. You can see it here, variable size limit, and here you can say one is 5 millimeter and 25 millimeter. Select here OK. Now that's it. See, we created a curve here. Now it's time to, this is the half portion of panton chair. Now it's time to mirror and make it full. So choose here right plane, and mirror I think you will find in feature command, mirror. Select the whole body, so it's easy. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to again surface, choose here knit surface. There are two bodies, clear, first one, second one, both we want to merge it. Select here merge entities. Okay, now it's one, choose thickness 3 millimeter, select from upward side 5 millimeter. Okay, it's still working. That's it. Now let's check it thickness. Okay, see the thickness, we added the thickness to the surface. So this is the tutorial for surface, and for beginners who want to learn surfacing, we used here most each and every command we used by surface command. Select here shaded view, then it's clear. See, it is panton chair. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our videos, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.